Enemies ahead! Let's go! Let's go!
PC games in utilization are becoming more and more popular every day. As there are more and more people opting to build a new PC, the manufacturers tend to give us a hard time by releasing a lot of products that confuses the consumer base. This video is for those kind of consumers. Whether you are looking for a budget build, something value oriented, or planning on building a balls to the walls PC, you are covered. In this video, let us see the top 5 best CPU and motherboard combinations that performs from decently well to extremely amazing. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's start our list with where Intel failed but AMD succeeded beautifully. We have the Ryzen 5 3400G paired with MSI Arsenal Gaming 450 Tomahawk Max motherboard. Their integrated graphics can outperform those from Team Blue, giving you budget builders a pocket-friendly option that can still play hardball with the big boys. The Ryzen 5 3400G processor can run AAA games at playable frame rates, provided you are willing to compromise on visual fidelity and can run most competitive titles like League of Legends, Overwatch, and Dota at a smooth and stable frame rate, giving you the hardware you need to score on the online arenas. Even PUBG runs around at 60 FPS, which is a title that is known for being particularly demanding in terms of GPU. Just make sure that you have 16 gigs of DDR4 memory, as the APU does use the DRAM as VRAM when running 3D software. Now let's talk about the features of this CPU and motherboard. The processor has 4 cores and supports hyperthreading with a base clock of 3.7 GHz and the boost clock of 4.2 GHz with a 65W TDP. By the way, if you are a bit confused on what is hyperthreading or TDP, check out my earlier videos by clicking the icon at the top or by clicking the link in the description below. Back to the topic. The motherboard contains 4 DIMM slots which can support up to 64 gigs of DDR4 memory at 4000 MHz, and it supports two-way crossfire and has a single M.2 slot. Up next, we have another AMD product, which is a Ryzen 5 3600 paired up with Asus TUF Gaming X570 Plus motherboard. The Ryzen 5 lineup has been most popular since the first generation for high core counts, great overclocking capabilities, versatility, and very affordable price. The Ryzen 5 3600 is a great, well-rounded CPU capable of handling productivity tasks and AAA gaming with ease. Pair that with the X570 TUF Gaming motherboard, and you have a great base to build a future-proof rig without having to rob a bank. Now to the features. This CPU comes with 6 cores, which also supports hyperthreading, which has a base clock of 3.2 GHz and a boost clock of 4.2 GHz with a 65W TDP. This Asus motherboard packs in a lot of features like 4 DIMM slots that can support up to 128 gigs of memory with dual channel support. This motherboard is literally filled with USB 3.1 Gen 1 and Gen 2 ports all over it. It has 8-channel audio for professional microphone input, and it has got 2 M.2 slots. The next pair is Intel's i5 9600KF with Z390 Pro Carbon motherboard. It is pretty sad to see that Intel still doesn't provide users with multi-threaded chips across their mid-range lineup. The Intel i5 9600KF is a good choice if you are planning on building a PC that is aimed for gaming, but the lack of multi-threading makes it less than suited for multitasking or productivity-related tasks. Now let's talk about the features of this pair. The CPU has 6 cores with no hyperthreading, which has a base clock of 3.7 GHz with a boost clock of 4.6 GHz with a 95W TDP. The motherboard that we mentioned uses LG1151 socket, which has 4 DIMM slots which can hold up to 128 gigs of memory at 4400 MHz. On top of that, this motherboard can be configured to handle RAID 0, RAID 1 and RAID 10 array. If you are not sure what does RAID mean, check out my earlier video which will be linked in the description below. Now we are getting more closer and closer to extreme performance in our list, so let's get it done. In the second place, we have another Intel CPU which is i9-9900K with ROG Maximus 11 Hero Z390 motherboard. This is the flagship consumer CPU from Intel and the flagship Z390 chip motherboard from Asus ROG. The two make a pair that's bound to shred through every consumer-grade software, whether it's meant for pleasure or business. Games, editing software, 3D rendering, you're going to run everything smoothly. Now let's talk about the features. This CPU has 8 cores which supports hyperthreading, which has a base clock of 3.6 GHz and a turbo of 5 GHz. The motherboard that was suggested is pretty much top of the line for Intel lineup which has the LG1151 socket with all features. It also has 3 PCIe X16 slots and 3 PCIe X1 slot. We are at the final stage, which means that this combo is built to throw 200 plus FPS at any game that you throw at it. Not surprisingly, this has an AMD CPU, which is the Ryzen 9 3900X with MSI MEC X570 Godlike motherboard. AMD hit it out of the park with their 3rd generation Ryzen chips, and it's pretty easy to see why. At a competitive price, their flagship consumer grade CPU, the 3900X, pulls no punches when facing the competition against the i9-9900K. Similar clock speeds, similar capabilities, but 50% more cores with more cache, the 3900X is nothing short for amazing. Just make sure to pick up the highest RAM frequency available to you, as the Gen 2 architecture really takes advantage of that. This CPU contains 12 cores with hyper-threading, base clocked at 3.8 GHz and turbo clocked at 4.7 GHz with a 105W TDP. Yet again, this motherboard is the top-notch motherboard for AMD CPUs with AM4 socket and has all the features that you can think of. I guess that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and hope you guys liked it. Comment down below your thoughts and suggestions for our future videos. And if you are new to this channel, a sub would be massively appreciated. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.